All right, we're doing a couple blaster boxes. 2021 Prizm basketball for King Harry. Good luck, man. I don't think I'll be live this weekend. I'll probably be live sometime next week. I don't know what time exactly. I figure out what new releases we got on tap. All right, and we got Carmelo jersey. Zeke. And silver is Nerlens Noel. Silver. DeMar DeRozan. Oh, there you go. And Poku. And rookie, James Wiseman. Our purple wave is Gary Harris. Purple wave. LeBron James, dominance. And CJLB. And last pack of the first blaster is green Dorian Finney-Smith. All right, that's box number 1. And box number 2. Good luck, man. We got CJ McCollum jersey and USA Sir Charles. Jaden McDaniels. Silver is Jarrett Culver. Jalen Smith. Ooh, there you go. We got Cole Anthony and Anthony Edwards, base rookie. Ooh, come on. Grant Riller. Purple wave. Saw the Hornets color. Sadiq Bey green, instant impact. This box is better than the first one, for sure. And last pack, man. And it is green of Dwight Howard. All right, that is it, Harry. Appreciate it, man, as always. Have a good night. Peace.